just a big gust of wind come up. The clouds come over. They were doing about 300 miles an hour, and all of a sudden, bang! It was here, just like that.
We were just kind of waiting for the ball game was close to being over, and the clouds just started to swirl up in the air, and everybody kind of took cover, and then the power line snapped and the roof came off the building there behind us, the apartment building, and everybody was just kind of laying on the grass and waiting to see what was going to happen. And then Red Deer Catholic people came out and let us into the center there, and everybody kind of went into the Montfort. Power line came down on the vehicles, and it's still sitting there right now.
I was just heading across the street to get my truck, and the power line come down right in front of me.
So you're lucky. You're pretty lucky.
I was lucky, yeah.
No kidding. See ya. Right now, I'm actually by. I'll try to get there in about 5 minutes.
That's why we got home. Where were you when that was?
I'll send you a video instead. That's Prime's Bay there. The door's in, but when I look in I can see the light inside. That's the next one, Prime. And then the rest of them are like this all the way along. So I'm thinking, looking at them, the roof is probably on, the front ones. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's hard to tell on that fucking one if they are or not. It looks like the trusses are all gone on the front of this building too here. I can't see the roof, so they must be gone too. There's a bunch of poles down in front, and it's this is the end of the end. Down, it's looking over Windsor, there's trees down there. Power lines are down. We get around the corner.
I just saw it and I was like, I can't pass it up.
Vehicle over here, so we got out of here, and we went down 55th Street.